In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it, click on pin icon in this pop-up and wait. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can swipe it to the right or hold it and tap on Delete option in the pop-up. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!